I'm back with another video. If you are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. If you are already one of the girls, hey girl. So today I decided to do, instead of a vlog for Vlogmas, I decided to do a Black Friday review, I guess you could call it. I went Black Friday shopping and I picked up a lot of cute pieces and I want to show you guys what I got. So let's get right into this video. First, we're going to start off with Forever 21. Forever 21 had a 50% off sale, so everything was 50% off, which was like amazing, but I think I overdid it a little bit. So I didn't plan on shopping, y'all. I promise you I didn't plan on doing Black Friday, but my friend gave me a call and that's where we ended up being. I went ahead and got this. I think this is so cute. Too cute. It's really cold where I live. Well, it gets really cold. Like right now it's December, but it's gonna get colder in January, February. So I just wanted to really be prepared for winter. And I really like the color combo. Like me, I like to do a pop of color, and I felt like it was really cute. It's really thick and it's really warm, and it was 50% off. So it's like you can't really lose. Like it was 50% off. So this is the jacket. I want to say this was what, $44, $50 basically, and I got it for $20. So yeah, super cute, super thick. The sleeves, love that. Look at how thick this is. So yes, that's one. Oh, this one, I love this so much, like real bad. This is a vest that I thought was too cute. Forever 21 be doing a thing. I got this in a medium. Then I got that other jacket in a medium too. This, like the material is very like wool, more like a wool, like kind of like a quilt. Like it's like layered with like a quilt type of layering. It's very thick, so it'll keep me warm. And I don't know, I just thought it was different. The original price of this one was $50 as well. That's kind of crazy. Damn. This was $50, but it was 50% off, so. I ended up grabbing this top. I thought it was kind of cute. It's like a knitted sweater, but like one of them like throwback schoolgirl knitted sweater. I don't know. I just thought it was cute. It's long sleeve. It's warm. It's thick. The cloth on these clothes are like really good. I thought it would be worth it to do a cute little look with this. They had this skirt next to it, but the skirt was too short, like past short. Like it probably wouldn't even have covered your booty cheek for real. So I would have did that look, but not. It was just too. It would have been uncomfortable. So. This was originally $24.99, but I got it for $12. That's not bad at all. These, I thought these were really cute. These are like super soft, cozy pants. They're flare at the bottom. I thought these were cute. And I really don't know. I got them in a medium, but I'm real short and they're very long, like very long. So they probably gonna have to go right up under my boobs if I do wear them. But these are the pants. The material is so soft. I can't wait for it to really show out this winter. Cause baby, the looks. Don't play with that girl. Oh, this jacket, man, this jacket ate. This jacket ate down. Oh, the price of those pants, originally 24. I think I already said that. No, these pants were 24. I got them for 12, which is really, really good, okay? So this jacket, I love the detailing on this jacket. It has pearls on the front, which I thought was just super cute. It's red and pink, which is different. And then it's really thick, really, really warm. I like that about it. And I think I got it in a medium. I wanted to get it in a large, but I didn't want to OD, because I like when jackets like this fit oversized, like really, really oversized. And I like to be really comfortable and stuff like this. But so for it to have been $40, I got it for $20. That's not bad. Yeah. So I actually got more. Okay. So let's go to these accessories. So I end up getting this cute little keychain because my keychain got dirty. So, and it be breaking and stuff. So I just be wanting to like update it sometimes, just depending on like how I'm feeling in that moment, like what I want on my keys. I just like to update it. So I went and bought this one. It was half off, so might as well. It was originally $6.99. I got it for $3.99. I ended up getting these hair clips. I like stuff like this for like maybe like my birthday's in March during the springtime. And why does this thing under me like that? My birthday's around springtime, and like the stuff I like to wear, like I said, I like to color pop. So I really, really thought these were cute. The detailing on them, the color, the vibe, they're so vibrant, and they're cute little clips. Like I might do a little hairstyle and want to put a clip in my hair or something. So thought these were cute. They were originally $6.99. Got them for $3.99. I really, really wanted some new anklets. I'm really a huge fan of anklets and stuff like that. So I got this, and I got this pack of 3 anklets. So I was at the checkout line and we're getting ready to leave, and I end up seeing that somebody put these back. I thought these were super cute. Like I just thought these were super cute with the little peace sign, the mushrooms. Like you just never know. You put a cute little look together and throw in some earrings. Like I love little cute little dainty stuff like this. So I just ended up getting it. The original price was $5.99 and I got it for $2.99. So I also went in their sale area. So what they did is they had sale stuff 50% off as well. So it's already on sale, and then you get it 50% off, which is like really good. Like I feel like Forever 21, they always have good stuff in their sale, sale area. But I think it's just because they get so much stuff, they also try to push out so much stuff. It could just be the area that I live in. I really don't know. My friend went and bought me this hat. I love stuff like this. Like I love different stuff like this. And it's a bucket hat. I've been really getting into bucket hats. It's not gonna fit on my head right now because I got this braid in the middle of my head. But I think it'll be cute. Just depends on how I style it, what I really put it with. I think this is really cute. The original price was $17.99. That is crazy for a bucket hat. $17.99 is crazy. But she got it half off. So kudos to you. Shout out to Kiara. I ended up buying my mom a shirt because that lady, I just love that lady. So I found this 2-piece. I didn't really know how it was going to fit. I was kind of nervous about it, but this is the top. This is not winter, but it was on their sale rack, so I said why not. And I guess you just kind of do like a little scrunch thing, wrap it around your neck. It's really cute, like a bandeau knot top. And then this is the bottoms, like flare pants. I don't know, they're really stretchy. I feel like they definitely gonna fit. They definitely gonna fit. I got it in a medium. Yeah, this will definitely fit. Really, really stretchy. Thought it was cute. Definitely for like spring, when it's hot out, my birthday time. Like, you just never know when you might need something like this. So the original price was $34.99. It was on the sale rack, but it doesn't have it marked on here, so I really don't know how much I really paid for it, but it was cheap, child. Okay, so I ended up getting this top. This was just like a cute little dainty top. I think I got a hat that I could go with this, that I could wear with this. But really, honestly, y'all, I'm gonna do a lookbook with these items and put like looks together for y'all so y'all can see like how I would style it. But this is just a cute little, it has like a towel. It feels like a towel, like a beach towel. That's the material of this shirt, and I thought it was super cute. Like, you just never know when you might need a little dainty top. So I went ahead and got it. It was on the sale rack. And it's also good for like when you want to wear something under something. Like if I got like a jacket and I want to wear like a cute color under it, you put it, like this would be cute for multiple occasions, winter, summer, like you just never know. So originally it was $12.99. I got it for $5, but then you take half off of the $5. So it was like dirt cheap. Real good, real good steal. I just thought this top was really cute. So backstory on this top, I wanted this shirt months ago, and supposedly it wasn't on the sale rack. So I was like, okay, whatever, I didn't come in here to shop. So I just left it. And then now that I came back for Black Friday, it was like multiple of them on the sale rack, and I say, yeah, this is my moment to just get me one. And I just thought it was so cute and retro looking. Like definitely gave like throwback type of vibes. The cherries, I like the fact that it's not red. I like the fact that it's green, and it's the type of green that it is. It's not like a green that you would see everybody in. It's a hard to match type of green. I don't know, I just like stuff that's different like that. So I went ahead and grabbed it because I've been wanting it. So I was like, yeah, this is my moment. I got it in a medium, and I think it's supposed to be like a, I don't know if it's crop. Yeah, I think it's supposed to be like a crop. So I got it in a medium. Originally, the original price not on here, but it's $12 as the mark off, so I got it for $6. That's how you, that's a real steal right there. That's a real steal because I've been wanting this shirt. Been. So that's it for Forever 21. We're gonna move on to Finish Line. Okay, so I went into Finish Line. I usually don't shop at Finish Line for shoes or anything like that, but I went ahead and went in there, and I ended up buying 2 pairs of sneakers. I bought this pair for myself. Super cute. I just been wanting some sneakers. I may wear these to the gym, and then like little errands and little stuff. Like, you don't always have to have sneakers for going out. Like, you need sneakers for other things as well. So got me some Vapor Maxes, and I also got my mom a pair. I don't really have to show those, but they're black. I just wanted us to have the same pair because why not? I feel like with the Nike, their stuff never goes out of style. Like, if y'all haven't noticed, with Nike, you could literally wear a Nike shirt from 12 years ago and it's still super basic, so it still goes with whatever you're wearing, and it's like, it doesn't look old unless it's like dingy and bleached up. But I was like, I don't have enough Nike stuff, you know, so I went ahead and bought me. They had these shirts 2 for $40, which is good because a Nike shirt, a little simple Nike shirt, be expensive, honey. So I got this 2 for $40. This one's the regular one with the Nike check, and I like that the Nike check is sewn on and not just printed. So I thought that was cute. Got it in red, and I also got it in black. With the black one though, what I really liked about it was that the sign had a gray check mark with the white words, and like I said, it's knitted on it, so it's not like just a printed cheap shirt. And y'all already know Nike got that good quality stuff too. So I ended up getting me some sweatpants. I don't know why I decided to get red sweatpants, but I just went ahead and got me some Nike sweatpants. In the moment, I thought they was really, really cute. I mean, they're still really cute. It's just, they're just vibrant. It's just, and against my skin, I don't know, I just had like this color in the moment. It's really cute. And what I like is I can wear this with either one, black or red. You want to double up on the red, you can do that. If you want to wear the black, you could do that. And then I also will have this for the times where I just need to throw something on. So the best time to do it is Black Friday. Okay, y'all, so I got these shoes from Fashion Nova. I don't know if y'all can see them. Got them on sale, super cute with the gold heel. These hot, I don't know. These might have to just be for pictures for real. But they're super cute. Got them from Fashion Nova. And I got a real surprise for y'all. I really want to show y'all something that I got from my cousin. Where did I put it? I got from my cousin. She surprised me and sent them in the mail. So I was like, why not feature them? Shout out to Zaria and shout out to TheRoyalRee. These are so cute. When I got them in the mail, the packaging was everything, like everything. And let me show y'all the glasses. It's crazy because I haven't even looked at, oh, I dropped them. They're good, they're good. So these are the glasses. This is the front. I have been fiending for like some 2000. Oh, that girl. Yeah. These are so cute. I have been fiending for some glasses like these. I was gonna get them on Shein, and then my cousin sent me some. She didn't even tell me what she was ordering for me. She just sent them. So shout out to you, honey boo boo. You did that. So yeah, y'all, that concludes this short clip of me showing you everything from Black Friday. I didn't really go too crazy. I don't really like to spend my coin when it's not really necessary. I like to buy pieces here and there. If y'all know, y'all know, okay? But that concludes this video. If you haven't already, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe down below. Bye.